Hi. Come on in. We are on board the Utopia of the Seas, and we just boarded in Port Canaveral, so we're going to show you our room. We booked a guaranteed balcony, ocean view. We are on deck 10. We are in the forward, and it's very spacious compared to what I've seen on a Royal Caribbean ship. So come on in. This is the bathroom. Oh, I love that. Look at this. It smells great and smells clean. Normal Royal Caribbean, sink, toilet, shower. So, for reference, I'm 5'8". So, and the last ship that we were on, our room was actually where the bed was here and you had to like kind of walk around the bed. And I'm loving that you walk in and there's so much space. You got some drawers, you have your little vanity, you have a light. So nice. They really did a good job. You have a couch. This does pull out. And then you have a seating area. Here are your closets. So this is your hanging. And then, of course, you can request more hangers if you need. You have some additional drawers down here. And then in here, you have your safe. You have drawers over here. And then you also have more closet space. So, TV, again, we booked the ocean balcony. And we did a guaranteed, so we're pretty impressed with what we got. Let's see. Should we test the bed to see if it's comfortable? Much more comfortable than the Symphony of the Seas. Oh, thank you. All right, let's go outside. I love that it's so new and it just smells so new. But cute little size balcony. Now, of course, if you book a connecting room, they can take this part down and you guys can share balconies. So that's really awesome. You just open it. Come on back. All right, first impression. I'm honestly really impressed. I think that there's so much room. I don't feel like you're so cluttered like you normally are in all of the cabins. I would 100% book this room again.